in this tutorial, we will review the input setup feature right here in the filter section. This is Forensic 9.0. Go ahead and turn on our input setting. We can click apply now and it'll auto apply, or we can leave it off. So we can adjust the resize input button. Let's do it to 1080 progressive scan. We can change the aspect ratio and click apply, and it'll take effect of the changes. Then you can adjust, choose any of our resize input and aspect ratio, or we can just go back to the default. So the input setup filter allows the reduction or enlargement of the resolution and or aspect ratio of the project file, such as the output will match this new resolution or aspect ratio setting. The resize input gives the option to change the output video resolution. And the aspect ratio is a proportional relationship between an image's width and height, describing an image's shape. Aspect ratios are written as the formula of width to height, so 4:3, width to height. And that's the input setting.